Boy, we had
ahead.
a great mild winter this year.
Oh, it was so nice.
It was gorgeous out, and you would think that that would lead to a really nice spring with plants, but then we got that cold blast right in there. And
Yeah, a little winter in April.
yeah,
Yep.
so how did that affect the plant life around us?
Well, you know, everything, well, not everything, but a lot of things started to push out a little early.
They did.
And a classic is the magnolia tree. And this one is beautiful in bloom because we were able to protect it. But most of them that you'll see out growing in people's yards, all the flowers just got totally fried. And
That tender new growth just can't take those freezing temperatures.
Yeah, they're just early. Even forsythia is another one that's an
Yes.
early bloomer that got frozen pretty good this year for a change.
What is this going to mean for the plants now that got hit?
Other than the fact that it lost its bloom, probably nothing.
Oh, okay.
In most cases, the leaf buds, even if the leaf buds froze, there are a lot of other latent buds that will push. So a lot of these things that you would think would really get hurt, in the long run, it's not going to hurt the tree at all.
They're going to recover. Any other damage you saw out there that plants affected?
You know, a lot of things, I'm not really seeing anything that's really hurting. The jury's still out on some things like fruit trees or whatever.
Okay.
To know for sure.
Yeah. And
Okay.
how about because of the mild winter, insects? Do you see a problem
Well, you know,
coming?
a lot of times a really cold winter, like we had the previous two, you'll get winter damage to the insects themselves. So the populations take a while. And with a mild winter, we may actually have an earlier onset of some of the insect problems, but that's wait to be seen.
Okay,
Okay.
great. So enjoy the spring, get out there and plant something. Thank you for joining us. I'm Casey Krause.
And I'm Jim Hoteling, the home gardeners from Hillside Garden Landscaping.